Let's go to page 451 and let's do the evens. Start with number 2. I can read through the problem first. This is an inversely proportional problem, so that's going to translate. So it says z, so part A, z very inversely means equal to k over something. Okay, again, inversely means everything will go on the bottom. So z very inversely as w. Okay, so that's your answer for part A. And then after that, let's do the B. So it says if z equal to 2 when w equal to -3. Okay, so find k. Okay, so that's going to substitute everything here. So you got 2. So you got 2 equal to k over -3. So cross multiply. So you got k equal to -6. Okay. And as soon as you find k, you need to update your equation. So you got z equal to -6 over w. Okay. So once you update your equation, you can do part C. It says find z when w equal to 1 over 2. Okay, so you substitute, so z equal to -6 over 1/2. Okay, so use your calculator, you can divide, so z equal to -12. Okay, let's go to number 4. So you can read, it says u, so part A, so u is inversely proportional, means k over blank, so it's inverse proportion to v. Okay, so that's your answer for part A. And for part B, it says if u equal to -1/2, v equal to, when v equal to 16, so you're looking for k. Okay, so you substitute, so you got -1/2 equal to k over 16. So again, you cross multiply or multiply both sides by 16, right? Common denominator. So this will cancel out. So you got k equal to -8. As soon as you find k, you update your equation over here. So you got u equal to -8 over v. So when you do part C, it says find u when v equal to 3. Okay, so you substitute, so u equal to -8, substitute, so that's it. So u equal to -8 over 3. Okay, let's go to number 6. Okay, so you can do part A. If you want to write the equation, so it says substitute, so let's translate. So it says C very inversely, so it means equal to k over something, right? So again, C is inversely, very inversely with the square of V. Okay, so that is your answer for part A. So part B is part B. Okay, so once you do, so it says if c equal to 6 when v equal to -3, find k. Okay, so that's your part B. So substitute, so 6 equal to k over -3 square. Okay, so substitute, whenever you substitute, put in parentheses and then you work it out, so equal to k. Now -3 squared is 9, and then from here you can cross multiply or you multiply both sides by common denominator. So k equal to 54. Okay, once you find k, you update your equation right away. So from here, so you update, so you got c equal to 54 over v squared. So update your equation before you do part C. So part C, it says find c when v equal to 6. Okay, so you substitute, so c equal to 54 over 6 square. So c equal to 54 over 36. and then you can go and simplify, or you can divide, doesn't matter. If you divide use decimal, you get 1.5, okay, or 3/2. Okay, let's do number 8. So you can read through. So it says the time t that it takes to get a certain job done varies inversely, so equal to k over, so it varies inversely as the rate r and the work is done. Okay, so that's the equation. And then part B, you can start to read. So it says if it takes 14 hours, so if it's taking 14 hours to get a certain job done on a rate equal to 6 jobs per hour, that's just the label, so you don't really have to worry about that. Okay, so again, before you read any more, let's go and get a k first. Okay, so once you get this information, let's do k. Okay, before you read any more. So 14 to k over r. So k equal to, so times by 6. So k equal to 84. Okay, so you need to go and substitute, so and update your equation. So you're going to get t equal to 84 over r. So get your updated equation before you go to the next part. So it says how long, so that's t equal to question mark. So how long will it take to get the job done when the rate is 7? Okay. Okay, so now you substitute, so t equal to 84 over 7. And then, so t equal to, divide, get 12 hours. So over here, even though they don't ask you for k, so the part B over here is actually part C. Okay, so even they don't ask you for k, you still have to go through process of looking for k and update. So this is actually, this is like the part B over here, and this is like part C over here. Okay. Okay, let's do number 10. Okay, so part A, again, it says the intensity I of the light received from the light source vary inversely, so equal to k over, so again, intensity vary inversely as the square of the distance, Okay, so that's your answer for part A. So again, even though they don't ask you for k, so you still have to do k anyway. Okay, so that's going to do the k. So if it says if the light intensity, so I equal to 15 at a distance equal to 10. Okay, so before you read any more, let's go and stop over here for now. So let's go and get the k so we can update equation. So you got 15 equal to k over 10 squared. So you got 15 equal to k over 100. So k equal to 1500. So update your equation. So I equal to 1500 over d squared. Okay, so you can get your updated equation before you do the very last part. Okay, so it says what is the light intensity? So I equal to question mark, so on the very end. So what is the light intensity at a distance of 15 feet? Okay, so now once you get updated equation, you can answer the question. So you got I equal to 1500 over 15 squared. Okay, so I equal to instead of multiply, I'm going to just write it twice. Okay, that's what square means, right? The reason for that, because I noticed that 15 I can cancel things out, right? So 15 and 1500 cancel, I get 100. And from here I can divide by 5. So divide by 5, I get 3. Divide by 5, I get 20. So I is equal to 20 over 3. And the label will be candela. Okay. Okay, and that's it for number 10.